Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta red. Start by selecting ripe crushed tomatoes or tomato paste for a vivid base, then sweat garlic and onion gently to preserve color. Add a splash of tomato paste and a pinch of sugar to balance acidity while simmering on low heat so the red deepens naturally. Taste and adjust salt, then toss with al dente pasta just before serving. For brighter color and fuller flavor, stir in tomato paste and cooked roasted red peppers while the sauce simmers slowly on low heat. A small pinch of smoked paprika can add depth without overpowering the tomatoes, and a touch of sugar tames acidity so color reads as rich rather than sharp. Finish with a generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil for glossy appearance and comforting richness before If you prefer a silky, evenly red sauce, blend a portion and return it to the pot to harmonize texture and color. Reserve some hot pasta water to marry sauce and pasta without watering down the red tone, and finish by tossing vigorously so every strand gets coated. Serve immediately with fresh basil or parsley for contrast, and grate cheese if you like, keeping the vibrant red center stage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.